हाय एवरीबॉडी, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 3.3 एनसीईआरटी बुक से क्लास 10th के लिए बात करने वाले हैं सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड का। तो चलिए देखें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का जहां पे आपको दिया गया है x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. Now what we do from equation 1, x plus 4 is equal x plus y is equal to 14, then y is equal to 14 minus x. Okay, that it is equation 3. Putting the value of y in equation 2, what we get? X minus y is equal to 4 equation 2. Then putting the value of y, yani x minus 14 minus x is equal to 4. That means x minus 14 plus x is equal to 4. That means 2x is equal to 18. 2x is equal to 18. ये 14 आपका उधर चला जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा, यानी कि x is equal to 9. Now put the value of x in equation 3. Y is equal to 14 minus x is equal to 9, then y is equal to 5. So x and y is equal to 9 and 5. आइए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. s minus c is equal to 3 दिया गया है. तो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, s minus t is equal to 3. That means t is equal to s minus 3. Put the value of t in equation 2. What we get? Value of s by 3 plus s minus 3 by 2 is equal to 6. Now what is the LCM? 6. It is 2s plus 3 into s minus 3 is equal to 6. Now what we get? 2s plus 3s minus 9 is equal to 36. Now 5s is equal to 36 plus 9. That means 5s is equal to 45. Then s is equal to 9. S is equal to 9. Then put the value of s. Put the value of s in equation 3. What is the equation 3? T is equal to s minus 3. T is equal to 9 minus 3 and t is 6. Then s is 9, t is 6. ये आपका हो गया आंसर. चलिए बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 की. नाउ इक्वेशन 1 एंड इक्वेशन 2. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, 3x minus y is equal to 3. That means 3x minus 3 is equal to y. Put the value of y. Put the value of y in equation 2. What we get? 9x minus 3x minus 3 is equal to 9. Now 9x minus 9x minus into minus plus 9 is equal to 9. That means this is 0 and 0 is equal to 0. That means it is a coincident equation. Both equations are constant. तो इसका आंसर आपको हो जाएगा many solution because a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 की बात करें हम लोग। देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के 4 को फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. That means 0.3y is equal to 1.3 minus 0.2x. That means y is equal to 1.3 minus 0.2x by 0.3. Okay, put the value of y in equation 2. ठीक है, चलिए हम लोग क्या करें, पुट कर देते हैं y का वैल्यू। यहाँ पे आपका क्या होगा 0.4x प्लस 0.5 इंटू 1.3 माइनस 0.2x बाई 0.3 इज इक्वल टू 2.3. Now what we get 0.4x plus multiply 0.65 minus 0.1x and a minus of 0.1x is equal to 2.3. From here multiply this 0.12x plus 0.65 minus 0.1x is equal to 0.69. What we get 0.11 sorry 0.02x is equal to 0.69 minus 0.65, that means 0.02x is equal to 0.04. That means x is equal to 2. That means x is equal to 2. When x is 2, then y, put the value of x in equation 3. What we get in equation 3? Here y is equal to 1.3 minus 0.2 into 2 by 0.3. Now 1.3 minus 0.4 by 0.3, that means 0.9 by 0.3, that means 3. So when x and y, when x is 2, then y is 3 is answer. Okay, now we talk about question 5. चलिए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के 5 को। फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 what we get root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. That means root 3y is equal to minus root 2x. That means y is equal to minus root 2 by root 3 into x. Now put the value of y in equation 2. Now देखिए root 3 into x minus root 8 into minus root 2 by root 3 x is equal to 0. That means 3x माइनस, ये दोनों आपको मल्टीप्लाई होगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, 8 16, यानी क्या हो जाएगा 4x बाई रूट 3 बराबर क्या हो जाएगा 0। दैट मीन्स आपका क्या हो जाएगा 7x, ये इधर मल्टीप्लाई आपका 0, यानी कि x इज इक्वल टू क्या आ गया आपका 0 आ गया। देन x इज 0, देन y क्या हो जाएगा, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इन इक्वेशन 3। व्हाट इज इक्वेशन 3? y इज इक्वल टू माइनस रूट 2 बाई रूट 3 इंटू एक्स 0, यानी y इज इक्वल टू क्या आ गया 0, यानी कि x और y का आपका जो पेयर आ गया क्या आ गया 0 एंड 0। ये आपका क्या हो गया आंसर हो गया। चलिए बात करें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के स्टेप। चलिए फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2 बात करेंगे लोग, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2 से चलते हैं। अब इसमें आप लोग जाएंगे पहले तो आप इसका लॉस ले लीजिए, ये क्या हो जाएगा 6, ये क्या हो गया 3x, और ये क्या हो गया आपका सॉरी ये आपका हो गया 2x प्लस क्या आ गया 3y बराबर 13/6। ये वाला 6 आप काट सकते हो, तो आपके पास इक्वेशन बन गया 2x प्लस 3y इज इक्वल टू 13। दैट मीन्स 3y इज इक्वल टू 13 माइनस 2x मीन्स y इज इक्वल टू 13 माइनस 2x बाई 3। पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ y in, put the value of y in equation 1. What we get? 3x by 2 minus 5 into 13 minus 2x by 3 by 3 is equal to minus 2. Then 3x by 2 minus 65 minus 10x by 9 is equal to minus 2. Then what we find? 27x minus 2 into 65 minus 10x by 18, okay, is equal to minus 2. Then 27x minus 130 plus 20x is equal to minus 36. Then 47x is equal to minus 36 plus 130. That means 47x is equal to 94. That means x is equal to 94 by 47 is equal to 2. Put the value of x in equation 3. Equation 3. What is equation 3? Y is equal to 13 minus 2 into 2 by 3. That means 13 minus 4 by 3 यानी 9 by 3. That means 3. यानी कि pair of x and y is 2 and 3. That is answer. चलिए बात करेंगे हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के लिए। नाउ चलिए देखिए हम लोग फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. That means 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y equation 3. तो हम लोग क्या करें? Put the value of 2x in equation 2. Then 2x is equal to 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 4. 40 24 is equation 2. When 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. That means minus 7y is equal to minus 35. this ये दोनों इस साइड से हम लोगों ने इसको क्या किया कट कर लिया 7 5 जा 75 35 is equal to 5 यानी y is equal to 5. तो then put the value of y in equation 3. What we get? 2x is equal to 11 minus 3 into y यानी 5. That means 2x is equal to 11 minus 15. That means 2x is equal to minus 4. Then x is equal to minus 2. Now the second part of question. Second part. What is m when y is given mx plus 2? Find the value of x when y is given mx plus 3. Y is 5 and x is minus 2 plus 3. That means 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. That means 2 is equal to minus 2m यानी m is equal to minus 1. यानी कि x और y का जो पेयर आपके पास आया वह माइनस 2 और 5 है और m का जो वैल्यू आ गया वो कितना है माइनस 1. बात करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के लिए. फर्स्ट वी क्रिएट द इक्वेशन देन वी सॉल्व बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू नंबर्स इज 26. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट first number is x and second let first number is x and second number is y. Then the difference between these number is now x minus y is equal to 26 and one number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other. Again x is 3 times of y. Okay, then equation 1 and x minus 3y is equal to 0 is equation 2. Okay, from equation 1 x minus y is equal to 26. Then y is equal, then x is equal to y plus 26 equation 3. Put the value of in equation 2. What we get? X minus 3y is equal to 0. Then y plus 26 minus 3y is equal to 0. Minus 20y is equal to minus 26. That means y is equal to 13. Put the value of y in equation 3. X is equal to y plus 26. Then x is equal to 13 plus 26. That means x is equal to 39. So the pair of x and y is equal to 39 and 13. This is answer. Now we talk about question number 2. Let larger angle is x and smaller angle is y. Now from question, x plus y is equal to 180 equation 1, and x minus y is equal to 18, equation 2. Now from equation 2, x minus y is equal to 18 degree, so x is equal to y plus 18 degree. Equation 3, put the value of x in equation 2. What we get? Equation 1. X plus y is equal to 180. Equation 1. Now y plus 18 degree plus y is equal to 180. That means 2y is equal to 162. That means y is equal to 81. Y is equal to 81. So put the value of y. Put the value of y in equation 3. X is equal to y plus 18. That means x is equal to 81 plus 18. That means it is 99. It is 99. Then x and y is equal to 99 and 80. That is answer. Now question number 3. क्या दिया गया है क्वेश्चन में, द कोच ऑफ अ क्रिकेट टीम बाई 7 bats and 6 balls. Now let the cost of bat is x and the cost of ball is y. Now what is given in the question? 7 bat and 6 ball cost 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. Equation number 1. Again the letter see y is 3 balls and 3 bats. 3x plus 5y is equal to 750. Equation number 2. Okay, what we do? First we convert the equations in either x form or y form. चलिए from equation 1, 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. That means 6y is equal to 3800 minus 7x. That means y is equal to 3800 minus 7x by 6. Put the value of y in equation 2. Now 3 into x plus 5 into 3800 minus 7x by 6 is equal to 70. Okay, now 38 plus minus 35x by 6 is equal to 750. Now 18x minus 35x plus 900 by 6 is equal to 750. So here minus 17x is equal to 750 multiplied by 6 minus 900. So So what we get, minus 17x is equal to 0, 0. Now 7x is equal to minus 850. Now x is equal to 850 by 7, that is 50. Put the value of x in equation 3. So y is equal to 3800 minus 500, तो वहाँ पे ये घटेगा आपका 85, सो 8500 ही आएगा आपका, ठीक है। सो 7 into 500 by 6, that means y is equal to 3800 minus 3500 by 6. Okay, that means y is equal to 300 by 6 means 50. So the pair of x and y is 550. X and y is equal to 550. That is answer. Okay. Now question number 4. चलिए देखते हैं. In question, the taxi charges in the city consist of fixed charge and together with the charge of distance cover. चलिए मानते हैं, let the fixed charge is x and the additional charge is y. Now for a distance of 10 kilometers, so fixed charge is x and 10 kilometer charge is क्या हो गया 10y is equal to 105. Equation 1. Again from question, x fixed charge and 15 kilometer covered is 15y, so the total is 155. Equation 2. From equation 1, in equation 1, x plus 10y is equal to 105. That means x is equal to 105 and minus 10y. Equation 3. Put the value x in equation 2. What we get? 105 minus 10y plus 15y is equal to 155. That is 5y is equal to 155 minus 105. That is y is equal to 50 by 5. That means y is equal to 10. So put the value of y in equation 3. What we get? X is equal to 105 minus 10y and x is equal to 105 minus 10 into 10. That means 105 minus 100 and x is equal to 5. So the pair of x and y is equal to 5 and 10, and pair is given. What what is the fixed charge and how much does a person have paid traveling a distance of 25 किलोमीटर. ओके 25 किलोमीटर के लिए आप कितना पे करोगे तो फेयर ऑफ payment for 25 kilometer is the fixed charge is x is 5 plus 25 into y is 10, that means 250 plus 5, that means rupees 250. Okay, now next question number 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का 5 जहाँ पे बोला गया है आपका एक फ्रैक्शन है तो लेट द फ्रैक्शन इज x by y. Now x by y plus 2 will become 9 by 11. Okay, so what is the equation? 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. Now 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4, equation 1. Again, if 3 add in both, it becomes 5 by 6. So 6x plus 18y is equal to 5y plus 15. That means 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3, equation 2. In equation 1, (11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4). So 11x, so x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y multiplied by 11. Put the value of x in equation 2. 6 into minus 4 plus 9y by 11 minus 5y is equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 24 plus 45, 55y minus 55y by 11 is equal to minus 13. That means minus 34 minus y is equal to minus 23. That means minus y is equal to minus 9 and y is equal to 9. So put the value of y in equation 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus 9 into 9 by 11. So x is equal to minus 4 plus 81 by 11, which is 77 by 11, and x is equal to 7. So the fraction is fraction is 7 by 9. चलिए बात करें क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 की. Let the age of Jacob in X year and the age of present age present age of and the present age of his son is y a. Now 5 years hence, that means x plus 5 is equal to y plus 5. Jacob will be 3 times his son. 3 times his son. That means x plus 5 is equal to 5y plus 15. Sorry, 3y plus 15. That means x minus 3y is equal to, in equation 1. Again, five years ago, x minus 5 y minus 5. Jacob age was 7 times the sun. 7 times the sun. That means x minus 5 equal to 7, y minus 35. That means x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. Equation 2. In equation 1, x minus 3y is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 plus 3y. Put the value of x in equation 2. So 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30. That means minus 4y is equal to minus 40. Y is equal to 10. Put the value of y in equation 3. What we get? X is equal to 10 plus 3 into 10. And x is equal to 10 plus 30 and 40. That means it is 40 and it is 10. ओके फ्रेंड्स, चलिए तो आज का हमारा वीडियो एक्सरसाइज 3.3 को कंप्लीट कराता है। आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का शायद तक सारे क्वेश्चन हम लोगों ने करा लिए हैं। यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा हो तो वीडियो को जमकर लाइक कीजिए, अपने दोस्तों तक शेयर करिए ताकि वो भी इससे बेनिफिटेड हो पाए, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। धन्यवाद।